Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. So today I've decided to upload this eyeshadow look that I have named the dinner date look. So if you're thinking of going on a date, this is the eyeshadow look. Let's get into it. So I'm starting off with the color Bright Pink from Party Queen, and as you can see I've already applied my sellotape. This is for me to have guidance when I apply my eyeshadow looks. So as you can see, I'm stretching out the color pink towards the sellotape, and I'm going to repeat this process until it becomes as bright pink as I want. Right now I'm going in with the concealer and also the angled brush. So with these two items I'm going to draw the arch and I'm going to bring it close to the sellotape. For the color dark brown from the shades Naked, I'm going to apply the color dark brown on top of the arch that we just created, and the advice that I give you is to ensure that you apply it as dark as possible. Oh, and another piece of advice, if you find that your color isn't becoming as dark as you want, just place another layer of concealer and then apply it again. And I find that that always solves my problem if the color isn't becoming as bright as you want. The concealer is your friend for any mistakes. So I'm going in with the concealer and the angled brush yet again, and this time I'm drawing a different arch. As you can see, I'm making sure that it is big on top and small at the bottom so that I have the result that I want. But you could also use your finger. You could also use your finger, and that works as well, but I want a specific result. That is why I'm using the angled brush. Now for the goldish orangish color, We're going to apply this color on the arch that we just drew. You could also use your finger because the finger actually allows a product to apply in a smooth way, and it's actually less product used, so you don't waste. Now for the final touch, I'm dipping into the dark brown, and this is when the magic happens. I'm going to place the color brown on the edges of my eye, but also blending it into the arch. And this is how you get this eyeshadow. It just has this nice effect that it's almost like a story or a song, and you've gotten into the chorus just at the right time. It just blends in so perfectly. I'm obsessed with this. So these are basically the final touches to achieving this date night look, eyeshadow look, honey. But don't forget to like, don't forget to comment, and also don't forget to subscribe. Follow me on Instagram as well. Until next time, bye bye.